The name of this app is NewPipe. NewPipe is a free and open-source media player application for Android devices. It is designed to provide an alternative to the official YouTube app and other closed-source media player applications. One of the main features of NewPipe is that it allows users to browse and play YouTube videos without being tracked by Google or showing advertisements. It also offers a variety of customization options, such as the ability to change the playback speed, quality, and download videos for offline playback. Other notable features of NewPipe include the ability to play audio in the background or with the screen off, support for playlists and channel subscriptions, and the ability to search for videos using keywords or filters. NewPipe is an excellent choice for users who want to enjoy YouTube content without being subjected to targeted advertising or data tracking. Additionally, because it is open source, the application is continuously being updated and improved by a community of developers, which means users can expect regular updates and new features. The general steps to install NewPipe on an Android device. First of all, allow installation from unknown sources. By default, Android devices only allow installation of apps from the Google Play Store. To install NewPipe, you need to enable the option to install apps from unknown sources. You can do this by going to your device's settings, selecting security or privacy, and then enabling the unknown sources option. Download the NewPipe APK file. The APK file is the installation package for Android apps. You can download the NewPipe APK file from the project's official website, F-Droid, or other trusted sources. Just type on Google, NewPipe app download, then go to the first official website of NewPipe. Now tap on Get NewPipe. Now install the app according to IP or Android version. After downloading the APK file, you can tap on it to start the installation process. If you see a warning message about installing from unknown sources, confirm that you want to proceed with the installation. Launch the NewPipe app. Once the installation is complete, you can open the NewPipe app from your device's app drawer or home screen. From there, you can start browsing and playing YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel if you get help from this video.